Shay, I want you and Jaden for talk back. I want you and Jaden for talk back, Shay. Shay, me tired of the animosity. Me tired of the animosity.
He's so name, so.
Me tired of it. I want peace.
And you keep on a babe like you want to sneak this me or you want to shade me.
Me a this a brawling, go suck your mother. Your mother. Me a this a brawling, me not sneak this on no time. Anything you have for me, darling, you drop it. No! Make sure you approve with it. Me not pretty up now, girl. I'm just my brawling.
But Shay.
A brawling, this me not
Where's Shay? Where is Shay when you need him?
Remember, you don't know nothing about me stinking boy. But just a make.
Why is Shay never depend on the line now? A Ufa man Shay a call stink. I just want to know Ufa man Shay a call stink. Because if you call my man stink, you call me stink. So Shay, I want to know if you ever smell me yet. And that I want to know, Shay. If you can call my man stink, it simply means say you call me stink. Shay, you have to go tell me how the stink share out. Somebody call Shay for me. Somebody call Shay for me. I don't know how the... You can't look at my man and call him any name and then you walk and talk to me, your friend. Hey girl, let me tell you this. Don't let me call right or die.
You know, say you don't know nothing about me. Nothing you don't have for me. But me have holy pan blood clot to you.
I hope Jaden will make sure go in on the phone and find the text with me and him and the videos them with me and him and what we have been doing. Suck with goggle balls, leave teeth mark on pubic ear. Hey girl, who for man you say stinking boy? Alright? Listen, focus.
That is not me, darling. Remember, you don't know nothing about me stinking boy. But just to make you know, say you don't know nothing about me. Nothing you don't have for me. But me have holy pan blood clot you. Don't wake up a sleeping lion. Make me rest. I beg you. I'm gonna make sure text your people they must surround you and tell you, say, to make me blood clot rest.
That ain't me though.
I try my best to avoid you.
Are you this?
Me block you. Me block everybody who surround you. Me can't see none.
Same earstyle, same clothes.
That ain't me, darling. I promise you that ain't me.
We bust up be a blood clot liberty over here and the way me bust up some things over where the internet don't even know. Don't provoke.
This says Shay says she gonna bust up Liberty and Jaden cause him keep on poking her. And she gonna bust it
me.
up.
That's
Then
AI.
this up Jaden and call him.
That's AI, boo.
Blood clot because we want to see how long me avoid a boy and him keep on a poke blood clot me. No poke me so good boy. Okay.
That ain't me, darling. That's AI.
My man is so good yet. I'm show you the video.
I don't know who is your man, Shebada. Why you so delusional? I don't know who is your man, darling.
Jaden.
I don't know who name so sweetheart. I never heard of that person before.
What make your name follow?
I don't know what you're talking about. Follow to who?
The boy will come down here, come carry the ring and make him give me a bun. Cause you give me a friend.
I don't have any friend.
2 minutes ago now that friend in a shade, then that's a short-term friendship go.
No, what friend you talking about?
You know, so you are dating.
Wait, Shebada, wait. What friend? I don't know nobody from nowhere. What friend you talking about?
Then we can look on this. This is a witchcraft, you know. A witchcraft, this in a shade.
No, Shebada.
Convinced, you know.
No. You need to make them send you. where this start from? What you mean friend? Internet, I don't know friend nothing. Ask anybody when know the story and where it really go. What friend? I don't know which friend attack is not my friend.
So you walk and ball for people?
No, yeah, mix it up. Yeah, talk about the girl. Me I tell you, say it's not my friend.
Oh, the girl. Oh.
I dare can you say friend? You give me a friend, something like friend. I'm a friend.
No, boy, you did tell me, say, yeah, I'm a friend.
No, me no. Shebada,
Stop cooking with MSG. Stop cooking with MSG.
You don't say it's a false prophet. Yes, a false prophet. What you mean, friend? Make them give you one screen record when it all started on a live with me and the people that I don't remember, I don't know them, I don't recall of them. I saw them meet. Me don't know the woman from nowhere. When me see I know the woman from, you talk about friend.
Shay, leave my man alone.
Who is your man? I'm not troubling anybody. I don't know. Why you always paint me to be the bad person? I don't trouble them. I don't trouble anybody. They keep provoking me.
Me I try my best
So
to
you this.
Like you want.
Doesn't matter if that is me. You see what me do, but you never yet see what them do. You only see when Maria.
Me look what them do. Them do this. Jaden Eat Boss confirmed that him and Rosa what is?
I don't know what you're talking about. Right now, me last.
Jaden Eat Boss confirmed that him and Rose A, look here. Rose A have something. Have broken up. He said that Rose A. What can I name this? Rose A up. Okay, that's something this. Rose A asked him for a eat, and him run her. Rose A asked him for a eat. Rose A.
Me no know. You can't ask me. Me don't know the people them business. Me don't know them from nowhere. You can't ask me. I don't know. I look to the left.
So, him and Anna there because Jaden says she's not his wife and him sweep on the Bible. But like what Jaden have no madam for them with lie now. Make me hear this.
No, if I joke, you see, I always attend to always left me behind that. Can't know me, if it's when me make.
TJ, what you mean them always left you behind? You're not busy. What wrong with TJ?
What up, Rosie?
Oh, Rose, yeah. Jaden Eat Boss confirmed that him and Rose have broken up. He stated that Rose asked him for a eat and he run away. He also stated that she and him not married and sweep on the Bible. Come, and Rose.
No, I really will not. You see, when I always feel like something, I really will not know if it's true. When I get heads up, DJ, eat your wife front, Jaden. You can't eat your wife front, bro. Nothing wrong with that.
DJ, what is that?
The man not do them thing there, bro. Just chatting love chat, dog.
DJ, what is that, DJ?
It's the only Bible.
Bro, this is our Bible, bro.
When Jabba said, the man not do them something there. Then suppose me for show Jabba's the video them with me and Jaden. You see, sometimes you can't swear for people. It's Jabba stand up in a me and Jaden relationship. I wonder if Jabba's for my class him. Shay, my man, my man that eat from. Shay, all of a sudden you show facial expression and them. So my man that eat from.
Provided proof that
You see, no, Jaden, no, me really, man.
Look to the left. Me don't know what you're talking about.
DJ.
My man that
I ain't in front of you, Jaden, all along.
Moderator.
Rose, you ask Finney I'm from. I run around our bro. DJ, when I time me a lay down, bro.
Yeah.
I'm wake up, I see Rose over me, dog. I push her off, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, Jaden is a wife.
So
Come
TJ
on,
just
man.
purchase. TJ Nyam Crutches. Lord, my confirmation. Lord, I feel like a damsel in distress. So TJ Nyam Crutches, how are they? Lonely won't leave me alone. Why? Tell me why. Lonely.
You know, like when nobody see, darling.
Then she went wrong with the face. So you feel Rosalie when bees sting her.
No, darling, I'm just here. I listen to you, darling.
Alive. Lord Jesus. But Shay, I want you and Jaden for talk back. I want you and Jaden for talk back, Shay. Shay, I'm tired of the animosity. I'm tired of the animosity.
It's only him, so.
More peace! More peace and tranquilizer.
Well, that the pan signifies peace, and the other side signifies tranquilizer. Oh, now me understand the pan. Peace and tranquilizer.
It's me in a rooting tone.
No, darling, we're not root here because we don't want you to let go with business. So we're not root here.
Let go, know what?
With business.
What business? Chef, tell me no man about you.
No, because I get to understand that everybody over here have secret from me. So I have to stay on my P's and Q's and I have to behave myself because I don't want to say anything and
Nice
anybody
baby.
post anything on me.
Darling, come here. Come here. The persons who have your business are the people in house where you go sleep. You go, they go catch. You go, they go catch and them have your business.
Okay, then.
My man come up on the phone and tell me every night when you're there.
Okay, all right, then.
You need time for you go away.
Right.
Tired.
Wait, come here. What I say again? Them did what?
Glad when you're going. Why you going to get that parent? Why do that? See that feel it to the fit, you know? That feel it to the fit, you know?
Come here, darling. Say it again.
Then they glad when you're going.
Say it again, darling. What you said?
Come suck out my dirty corrupt blood thing down low me alone, ya girl. When you can't make peace rain.
Darling, those wall where you walk up pity the do all of that yo.
Allah ya tell me all of that everything wanna just remember what you wanna do this. And what you wanna do this. And what me like when you send me request regular do like how you and Jaden and a friend.
Yeah, not for read. You can't read the romance.
Me can't what? What do me and Jaden send me one request you know?
I may just leave you to your friend, darling. Me no problem.
No, you know, say Jaden I'm a friend. Jaden I'm a friend.
And that is fine. I cannot kill you for that.
Right. A Jaden me say. Me not lie. Me say Jaden.
Good. And I'm so proud of you. That is very nice. Yes, darling. I'm tired.
Jaden, one eat boss.
Of course, one eat boss.
Yeah. So she like a boss, you not afraid now.
Fret for what? What should I be fretted for?
Me that feel away, me that talk back to you.
For what? That for sure you say money no control me. Me not care. That's what do with me. Hello?
You say thinking nasty, dirty germs, Jaden. You know, say in a what year when you come from friend, I say, Jaden, oh you and Shay move so close. You and that girl there, don't tell me say yeah, take my brother. And you convince me say in my you know there. So oh Jaden boss you and Jaden never boss me. You know how much time Jaden may I lock up Jaden for child support.
When I say boss me with what?
Ask your people in your comment. Like how they my your people, ask them.
I know my people them over here so. Them are mixed people them. Them 1,000 almost 2,000 are for me them. One of them say boss me somebody in the comment. Me not block you, just reply to me. Boss me moderator don't block them.
Make you make money on the app.
Make money upon the app. Can you collaborate? Can you give me a definition?
Elaborate. You want me to elaborate more?
Yes.
Meaning that from him take you under his wings, which Jaden look like a baby drunk crow. So I believe the wing part where the people them say. From he takes you under his wings, you understand how his wings is. You started glowing, people started gravitating, you started making money. Your wig started at the party, my party when I put in, you know. Your wig started.
Oh, okay. Okay. You put it. Oh, you're frightening me. So, come and me ask again. We share the same gifters or what?
Well, it's because me and Miss Triple up on good terms.
Yes
I would
or
very
no?
well.
Yes or no? Do we share the same gifters? Yes or no?
Well, the last time Jaden tell me yes.
Shebada, yes or no?
What other meaning were yes have again? Which other way you can say yes?
Me ask again. Do we have the same gifters?
We.
Okay then. Done. That's all me just want to ask. So the argument done. Me not have nothing more for question on the say.
Them say Jaden have your crowd. Shay, at you?
What crowd?
Them say Jaden got with your crowd.
Me not like crowd. Crowd no count is the coins count.
Oh, so with the big jilla people, them you get whole heap of coins.
No, with my small people then.
Yeah, that's what I say big Jill.
No, me not a big Jill. Views don't pay, coins pay. Not the views.
Applause, thank you. Coins pay.
Yeah, not views. Views don't pay.
So me have over your views.
You can have 5,000 people and can't catch one speed. You can have
Yeah,
5,000
Rosalie said that.
and somebody have 2,000 or somebody have 200.
Shay, him give you strength. Them say Shay, him give you strength. Alright, Shay.
What strength?
Shay. Jaden never help you
Wait, Shebada, we have broke it down. Watch strength. When every time them have a match of me, them send call. Come, we broke it down now. Since we can, me could babble it down a little bit. Come here. Watch strength.
Me wait for the comments.
No, you not have to read. Me babble it down.
I read. I did what they must say.
No, me go in right now because come like you don't want me for going there. One of us say, give strength. No, don't tell me say no. One of us say give strength. Oh. Explain to me.
Hold on, me wait for them.
Alright.
Them say it's all a prank. Them say one Jaden, them say it's all a prank.
Hold on, not chat, hold on. Give strength to what? What is the strength? Nobody knows say what is the strength.
Into start.
Into what?
Wrong.
Into rank. Oh, if you just motivate and tell us to stop cuss and beg. Oh.
And that the
So,
matter.
when you ever see them send me, one of them say give strength. When you ever see them send me 1 3 lion, 1 4 lion, 1 5 lion.
Look what Rosalie give. Look what Rosalie give.
Wait, no, we go count. 1 lion, 1 2 lion, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come no man. We're reason.
You know says Jaden link you for Miss Triple.
I said make we reason. You never see them give me 1 5. Remember, I never look back nothing from them. I want to say strength. When Matcha keep Shay, need strength. Shay, the live spam. Everybody has spam me live. Shay, and I'm there. I appear. So watch strength.
Alright. What strength, people? The triple strength. The Miss Triple Strength.
Miss Triple Nano strength. Watch strength. Come still not get it. It's come like a me an idiot. Come not
But
get it.
Jaden gift you. Them say.
What them name? Give me the name. The name.
The name. Show on the name. Must me can't remember. Chow.
Give me the name.
Them say Jaden get exposure.
No. The name. What the name?
Them say Denny's.
What?
E-Bull. Destiny. Nicole. E-Bull. Arab.
Who?
Arab.
Next.
RJ. Jabas. What it? What that? I think it's that way going on. G, I will put name a call here, so man. G go RJ.
Shebada, don't make her take that phone and lick in your blood clot.
She, why me go get the lick? I'm just a messenger, my baby. She, so you're ignorant.
What? It's who them people that wanna call.
Natalie, Migos, J Supreme.
Shebada.
Eh?
Shebada.
Yeah.
You see, as in terms of gift,
Yeah.
the two is people, is gifters never do, nothing we share gifters never do. So I'm telling you, the two sides support each other. So when it's people talking about gift, relax. Because sometimes share of people are ready when I fear people them alone over there. When him and Chiga go down in a match, when him cannot find film people. So then we stop talk about some fuckery.
Yeah, but
we don't want she go down in them something here. Really and truly Shebada, because me see it as fuckery, foolishness.
Man, I prank this queen in. Man, all alone in this thing together. I prank this. I prank this.
Me not think, Shebada.
I'm free
you
to...
never hear say,
darling,
I am the problem.
Darling, I'm free to laugh. You cannot tell me not to laugh. I have to laugh, darling, because it's so funny.
Everybody's supposed to.
Oh, you have a filter. I don't want Jaden thinks I'm over here chatting. What time I filter too? But my filter them last. I have no filter.
Darling, it's because I don't come here, come show anything. But darling, I've been getting gifts before that person. Long time ago. I can go back from my old... Shebada, I can go back from my old screen records when I did have a gifter when named Nikki. Anybody over here remember Nikki? When we used to play with Alex. I've been there, done that. Yeah? Okay then. Me just never okay then. Me don't talk to you. Me don't talk.
She always have her gift. The people them not just come.
If anybody remember Nick, me don't talk. What you say now, Shebada? Me don't talk.
Me just listen, me love them not ask me nothing yet.
Okay then.
Me make them not ask me, and me no know.
Okay.
Them say that's one gifter. So how you reach so far now?
One gifter, of course. I mean, I'll have 100 diamond, 400 diamond, sometimes 800.
Them say, this is a prank. You and Jaden, you see, you and Jaden want shot with shit. You and Jaden want shot with shit, Shay.
I said always go, darling. It starts off from 1 to 2 to 3. But ask, we need to ask them.
For Nikki, they know.
Wait. You gonna ask me when Nikki them, I gonna tell her where she there. She come off of the app, but guess what? Ask them what for them gift that they know. Have a nice day.
Shay gone. Where's Shay gone? But Shay gone. Then Shay just gone and not tell me say she gone. She didn't tell me say she gone. Shay didn't tell me say she gone. I will cut off. Maybe I cut it cut off. She tell me say she gone. Oh. You know, so me never hear her. Me never hear the last part, you know, man gone far. Me never hear the last part. Honestly. Me say my man gone far, me never hear one thing. Me think I cut off, you know. Somebody take on the seat as you go bathroom. I be gonna people my love when me come back later here. One, so what the whole of them say one Jaden, one Jabas. Wanna move and we alone, my brother.
One Jaden.
Aye.
One Jaden on the app. One Shay. One Shay on the app.
You forget me, yes?
Forgot to say Shay on him.
Mom, I can't bother with them and the animals. It's like She and Jaden, you know. Yeah, them soon go back together. I pick on the people I love them. I like She and Jaden for true. I like them together. I think I prank, you know, me a traveler, you know. I think I prank. Yeah, when they fit real or it's fake, I tell Shay some nasty things out of my mouth and class about gully, you know. I love when you hear people little more. I love when you big up on yourself. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers on my program. Big up on yourself, stay blessed, sleep sweet, live, laugh and love. You understand me? Put God before everything and everyone. That would is one Jabas, one Jaden. Make Jabas move. No, Jabas is my friend. Me now, cause him I'm my friend. I always like Jabas. Me now, cause make Jaden move him. Shay for class, dirty nasty. Jaden is my man, you know, me now, cause him either. I love them, yeah. Little more, I love one later. Jaden is my man.